Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate HSBC debit card. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your browser on your smartphone or PC and search for hsbc.co.uk. You'll be redirected to the official HSBC Bank website. Once you're there, go to the menu bar and select Help Service and Security. From the drop-down menu, go to right side and click on Card Support. Under the Card Support Essentials section, you'll see the option to activate your card. Click on it to view the full activation process. If you're activating your card through the HSBC mobile banking app, simply log in to your HSBC account. After logging in, tap on Cards at the top of the screen. Then, swipe and choose the card you want to activate, review the information shown on the screen, and tap Confirm. Your debit card will then be activated. If you prefer to activate your card using online banking, log into your account using your security key, select the account linked to the debit card you want to activate, then go to Manage and choose Activate Card. Pick the card, review the displayed information, and select Confirm. After that, your card will be successfully activated, and that's it. So that's basically how you can activate HSBC debit card. So that's all for this video.